Alright, welcome back guys. This is a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Intermittently, the vehicle will not start. No crank, no start, no power. Like the 12-volt battery is dead. So I put my jump box here and grounded there, and the vehicle just started fine. Then I did not charge the battery at all. Alright, let's gonna go ahead and test the battery. This one is just a year older, so I believe this battery is good. Okay, battery test. I'm using the top down. It's not mine, it's belong to my coworker. Press enter. This is AGM, cold cranking amp. It's a 600. And now testing. Good battery charge. It needs charged off, but we're sitting 12.3. So battery health is 44%. Alright, so let's go ahead and press enter. Okay. We also need to shut this guy right there. There we go. Now the cluster is off. I don't see any more load. Disconnect the negative battery cable. It's right there. Then we're gonna use the DVOM. Select it to the lowest setting. Transfer this cable to here. And I'm gonna use this clamp to hold my cable in place. There we go. Then install this guy here. Oops, I don't like the negative. I want to do this instead. There we go. And the positive here. Now we got 3 point something, fluctuate, but 3.5. Then we have to go wait 5 minutes for the system to sleep. Now it's dropping. Some of them will take at least 10 minutes, but my experience, it's about 5. Continue dropping. Now we are reading 1.5, 1.4. There you have it. It's technically 0 volt right now. It reads 0.11, but that's not enough to drain the battery within a week or 2 or a month. At least my experience. Yeah, so we don't have any parasitic draw right now, but why this battery is dead to begin with? Maybe it's not dead. Maybe there is some connection issue here. Oh, it's gonna be fun. But before we dive in, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to create a load just like a little load. Okay, so I don't want to open my door because that might be a lot. Then my DVOM fuse will exploded. How about turn this on? Alright, let's see how much we got here. Oh, it just increases to 0.3. Wow, that's so little. Okay, so even though you left your dome light on, I think you're gonna be alright the next day. Your battery's gonna hold up because we got only 0.3 right here. We're gonna turn it off. And it's gonna go back to 0.1. I'm gonna create much higher load, which is opening the door. There we go. That thing runs. That thing is open. Let's see how much we got in the DVOM. That's a lot of load right there. So yeah, if you see something like this, after like 5 to 10 minutes, you definitely have a parasitic draw. There is some component out there causing this much draw. But if we close this, well, I just wake up the system, so it's gonna take at least another 5 or 10 minutes before the system go back to sleep again. Alright guys, so it's back to 0.1. I'm still connected to my DVOM. So right now I can tell this battery is good. We do not have any parasitic draw. So what I'm thinking is we have some issue with the connection or ground or things like that. So let's go keep digging. Alright guys, so this is a 2024 Santa Fe, or is this Santa Fe? No, it's a Tucson. In here with a dead battery. Then I put my jump box here and the ground there. The engine just started. I mean, everything works fine. I take it for a test drive and everything, no problem. And I did test the battery and it says good battery. Alright. So now I'm like, what the heck's going on, right? But I look at my schematic. It's like right here, this is my 12 volt battery right there. And I check this CF31. Which is this one right here. And I poke out to my long lead. And where's my other lead? Here's my other lead. If I touch this, I do have a continuity. It's right there. But check this out, guys. So this is loose right here. It's loose. And there is a nut down there. 10mm nut. It's also loose. So occasionally that guy will get loose and causing no crank, no power condition. But when you put jump starter here and there, it's gonna get a trigger, that one, and then the vehicle will just start it.